Okay, now we see all the equipment what we need for our new version of Captevia app and to make a 3D model of patient. The iPad mini or iPad Air, and here the sensor. We don't need any power supply or something like this. We just put it on the iPad, clip it and fix it here. We have here the wire what goes directly into this iPad, and be careful that we place the sensor also that the camera from the iPad can see it in the right place. That's it, and then after we can start with Captevia and scan the patient. Okay, now we have our new Captevia app available on the App Store from Apple. The last version. In the before version we was able to make pictures and take out the measurements by the pictures and modify it after in our Godon for the software. Now we have the new app. It's almost the same like it was before. Here we can choose our patients. We can do here a new patient, for example, and enter the name, whatever you want. And after you can add another information for the patients, the height, the measurements, the whatever you want. And then we say, okay, ready. So we have now our new patient, and you see here all the follow-up of all the patients. Now we go to the patients, and then we will see all the specification of the patients. With this one, we can do now again the pictures like it was in the previous version, and we can take out the measurements, or we can do a normal picture what we can use after in the software. Here, this is the new button. It is the 3D, and it's together. It comes together with this scanner device, what we put directly on the iPad. Okay, now we have a portable easy scanner. We just press the 3D button and automatically it will come up the scan interface. Okay, now we have the patient. Now we open the file, the scan, and we have the patient here in front of us. Now we have to adjust the bounding box in the right way, so that we know which size we want or which part we want to scan. We can scale it here in this direction with the fingers, and then just press on scan and turn around of the patient. You don't have to be very smoothly or very quiet. We can also zoom in or zoom out. Then we see when it all is finished, we only press on done. That's it. So we see it, the preview of this scan, and we will say it's okay. You can zoom it as well. It's very detailed. And after we agree with it, we just say it's done. And now we see here in this patient the 3D scanning. After this, we can go and press on this button and send the 3D shape directly to our service fabrication or to the guy which is taking care of the modification of all the models. So we can enter here some comments, something like this, and then just go to send, and now the scan is at the CFAB or at the guy which is doing the modifications. After this, you just switch off the app and it's finished. Everything is saved inside, and so we can control it again what we have already, and you will see now the same, and it's stored.